project along Iloilo-Capiz East Coast Road and Iloilo-Capiz New Road, Barangay Banica, Rojas City, to be assisted by Rojas City Mayor Vicente Bermejo and DPWH Regional Director Rolando M. Aces.
Mayong hapon sa inyong katanan. This is a great honor for us today that our beloved President Gloria Macapagal sa atong syudad. Ang tulay na nag-aagot, ng tulay nga agyan nato karon nga nag-aagot sang Banica kag Tisa. Hinasya is
million already in process of bidding, and the 30 million will be process bidding, and this will be completed within 6 months time. Meaning before June 30 months.
Kaya Bermejo, o salamat kanin sa imo kay Congressman Fred Castro kay Vice Governor Garredo kag tanan-tanan mga kaupod diri sa Rojas City o sa Capiz. Congratulations sa bago nga proyekto. Siling ni Mayor Bermejo at ni Director Asis na siling unang 10 million makabulig diri sa Barangay Banica.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tawagon naton ang usa sa mga pumuluyan diri sa Barangay Banica. Agod makabalon naton ngano nga yung iyang pinahulat sa sining proyekto.
Good afternoon. Ako si Emmy, 19 years old, 4th year education student of Capiz State University Dayo Campus, and I am a resident near the Sunshine Village, wherein the proposed project is by our main road. And I was also an alumna of Congressman Ramon A. Arnaldo High School. And when I was high school,
at ito yung the rest of it, ang mga upod na proyekto. So, subong na adlaw, I'm very happy to say na ang next 20 million na saro nakagawas na. So, okay. So congratulations sa inyo na kailangan. Kaya, Director Asis, maaga natapos. 24/7 ang trabaho, ha? Congratulations. Okay, congratulations.